So is my PPT is visible? Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So it's a great opportunity and great pleasure for us to discuss the intellectual property. You know that property is something different terms and intellectual is something the different terms. Why I am saying that it is a very auspicious occasion because I think that most of us are have minimum graduation degree and more and most of us they have also completed if there might be certain students who are completing their graduation degree, so they have certain level of intellect. Now intellectual will combine with the property. In our Hindu mythology, intellect relates to the Saraswati and property relates to the Lakshmi, so it is a great combination, Lakshmi plus Saraswati. Now, so that's why we have to understand how these two can be combined together and with a discipline. So that's why, so first of all that's why this topic is very very important. Now the second point, it's a product of mind. So what do you understand by this? So only human mind can be applicable for the intellectual property rights. You know that mind, there may be a machine language also, artificial intelligence are also there, but they are not qualified as a qualified for the intellectual property. Why? Because intellectual property right is a legal term, and for that legal term we must have certain legal person, legal entity, and machine can't be a legal person. Only human can be a legal person. That's why the product of mind means product of human mind. Okay. Now, when we start the first time, I think that most of us are listening this term for the first time. So when first time you have heard, what you will understand, what you have to understand, you might think that suppose that you have created any new poem, new song, new invention, new design, so you think that it must be protected, and protection should be such that if somebody wants to use, they must take your permission, and you will earn the royalty through your creativity. So first thing is the protection, second thing is the earn royalty through the licensing. So these aspects is has to be clear through the intellectual property rights. So let us see the certain examples how innovation plays a role. So you can see there are certain examples in which this is an Australian company who has made this shoe with a ultrasonic sensor in front of the shoe, so that for the blind person it is very very useful for that. Up to 4 meter away distance, they can observe any obstacle and they can walk freely, safely. Now this is a mahua flower. This professor has invented a formula to making a soft drink, cold soft drink through mahua flower. You know that mahua flower is being used for making liquors from ancient time. The community, the tribal, they used to make liquor from this. But now he has formulated that formula and he got the patent for it, and he has the ability to make in mass production also, and he is also a professor from the Nagpur University. Okay. Now by this slide what you understand that for entering into the world of intellectual property rights, you need not to have any educational qualification is not a barrier. Only your awareness and your presence of mind, whatever problem you are facing, for that what solution you have, and for that solution, if that solution is technical, for that you can apply for the patent. Okay. Now if we discuss about the background of the intellectual property can be divided into two parts: tangible and intangible property. Tangible property means movable car, cash, jewelry, and immovable property means building, land, plots, all this will cover the immovable. If somebody will ask you how much property you have, so you will only disclose the tangible property. You will not disclose about the intangible property. And intangible property nowadays it is gaining more and more popularity. In the terms of intellectual property, it can be divided into two parts: industrial property and copyright. Industrial property means patent, design, copyright, trademark, geographical indications. Okay, and other right is next right is copyright. So we will discuss all these intellectual property rights in today's session: patent, copyright, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, layout design of the IC circuit, protection of trade secret. Protection of plant varieties is not done by our ministry; it is done by Ministry of Agriculture. So that's why it is. We will not discuss it. And if you have any issue, any question after the program, you can ask. So now intellectual property, what we have learned that it's an intangible creation. It must involve human intellect and it must have certain commercial value. Now, two things we have to keep in mind since it is a property. So for that property, it must have commercial value. Nowadays, you have heard that so many researchers, so many professor, they have filed for the research work, and they might get patent for that. That is a different issue. But the main issue is that why you have to take this. You have to take this for the commercial value. Your invention must have commercial value. Otherwise, there is no meaning of it because it's an intellectual property. So that's why you have to think in a manner that your it must have commercially it should be used. And intellectual property rights, you will get the following three types of right: exclusive right, territorial right, and licensable right. Okay, now patents, it's an exclusive right granted by the central government only. That is the definition of the patent. To whom it will be granted? It is granted to the patentee or the applicant. And terms of protection is 20 years from the uh, date of filing or priority, and it is 100% for the commercial gain. And in consideration of that, you have to fully disclose your invention. What is your invention? You have to 100% disclose it. Why it is important? It is important because suppose that after 20 years, if somebody is interested, he want to use your invention, he can use without paying you any royalty, because maximum protection is for the 20 years of the time. Okay, and it's a territorial right and not a worldwide right. Means you have filed your, if you have filed your invention in India and somebody in China, Japan, Myanmar, Pakistan, Malaysia, if somebody will use your technology, you cannot not stop them. For stopping them, you have to file your application in that country also. So after that, you can stop them. And patent is provided for the invention. You know invention very much, um, and what are your definition, that is important. But for the patentability, it must be new product or process, it must be useful, non novel, non obvious, and not known to the public before your disclosing. Now if I say that out of all these 5 points, which point is the most important for the commercialization? So what will be your answer? So obviously it will be the usefulness, how much usefulness your invention is. So that's why it will be more commercial value, more people will be inclined in your invention. uh, Now this is Sapner, it got patent in 1822. So by this slide, you have to keep two things in your mind. See, there are two things in the patent, or if I talk about the patent, there are two important things. One thing is inventor. What is the role of the inventor? He will invent, he or she will invent anything. But second part is the drafting. How you will draft it? For drafting, because patent office looks documents only. Patent office hardly visit any industry, how it has been made and how it has been done. So for the document we have to decide. So documentation should be very very sound. So that's why suppose that in your academic level, to your school, in your institute, in your college, you can teach among yourself, among your students, how to draft a patent specification. That is very, very important thing, because it's a legal document. And it is provided for the tool. See how it has been written. They have not claimed for the sharpener. They have claimed all type of tools for which there is sharpening pencil's writing point by saving away its worn surfaces. Okay, so that you can see how it will be done. So this is an electric bulb. It got patent in 1878. This is Bluetooth device. It got patent in 1994. And this is the famous Indian inventors. They have also invented, and these they have also earned millions of dollars by making these inventions. So you can imagine the usefulness of these inventions. And they can, after getting the patent, they can make it, produce it, sell it, export it. Okay, they have all types of right included with the this exclusive right. Now this is the patent. You can see this is again an example for whatever the problem you have, you must have certain technical solution, and these you may say that these are the recent development in the technologies. Now there are certain common mistake done by the inventor. Suppose that researcher publish their invention in the different journals, such that Scopus is there, Nature is there, so many publication houses there. And after that you come to the patent office and you say that patent office that I need patent protection for my this invention. In that case, patent office says that since it is already published, so we will not provide you any protection. So for the protection, you must file your application before publication to any other journals. So first protect, then publish. That is the slogan from the patent office, that you have to first protect your application. After that, you can publish your application in any journal. We don't have any issue. And when you provide your application to the patent office will publish it. Usually it takes 18 months of the time if you have filed your application, but you need early publication. Then form 9 is there. Using form 9, it will be published within 1 month of the time. And what is the benefit of publication? See, when you will publish, so in the whole world, every person is interested with the data published in the paid for the patent protection. And if that data is new or inventive in for the public who is working on that field, they may contact you for the commercialization. They may contact you that they can work with the joint venture. So that's why there is a great role of patent publication for the commercialization. So you have to publish your data in that manner only. Okay, and if you will use your information or commercialize it without patent protection, in that case again somebody can copy it, and he or she will file, and you will lose all your benefits of your inventive features. And it is also possible that every person cannot be scientist. So there are certain career opportunities also. You can become a patent agent if you are a science graduate, patent drafting specialist, become trademark and copyright agent, patent valuers, IP managers, IP strategy development, brand management, IP portfolio management, organization and IP investment controlling, master's program in IP management, patent analyst, licensing specialist, patent LPOs, legal process outsourcing. And you can also join the government offices if you are an engineering graduate as a post of examiner of patents and design, and a law graduate as on for the post of examiner and senior examiner for the trademark, copyright, geographical indication. And all these things you can contribute your services in this way also. And the last point, now there are so many government or private institute or industry, they have their separate IPR cell or IPR policy. So you can also contribute to that organization. And if you will by after you can also provide their service to, so for that you have to be very sound knowledge about the IPR and what is this, how it can be protected. Now come to the design. So it is given on the basis of shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, composition of line. We will see with the definition what is the definition associated with it. So suppose that you have to buy any mobile, you enter into any shop, and you will see that uh, you will confuse between two sets of mobile. Which mobile should I buy? Because both have the same technical and constructional feature. Now you will buy that mobile which has better design. So on the basis of design, you will buy that mobile. Okay. So that's why I think that for the manufacturing purpose, the cost of design is the least 5 to 7% for that product. But the marketing value of design is more than 60 or 70%. By looking at the design only, the customer they will agree to buy your product. That is the main concept for the designs, and that's why the government has started to provide the separate design registration for the article. Okay, so it is applied for an article. It is very important thing. Now come to the definition. What is the definition of the design under section 2D? Design means only the features of the shape, configuration, pattern, ornament, composition of lines or colors, and it is applied to any article. It may be 2D, 3D, or in both forms, and it has to be done by the industrial process or means. And whether it must be a finished article, semi-finished, unfinished article is again not welcome for the design registration. Okay. Now design is provided for the 10 years of the time. If you want the extension for 5 years, you can take another 5-year extension. So total protection will be maximum 15 years of the time. So why it is important? Suppose that your article is new or original, so 100% you will get the design registration. So after that, it will be prevented when it will be get registered. So it will be published with the protection. And if somebody have to use your design, they have to take the prior consent from your side. And how you will provide you the prior consent through assignment or licensing. For this limited period of time, you are providing them for the to use your design, and in return of that you can claim your rewards also. Now let us see the application of the design. This is a cup set. So design cannot be provided for a single article. It may be provided for a multiple article. Cup set is there, spoon set is there, um, um, car seat, vehicle seat set is there, sofa set is there, chair set is there. So all this for you can also apply for the design registration. In the pharma product also, you can see the same functionality and constructional feature is there, but their design is different. And on the basis of that, you can provide your different types of design. Now in the textile and jewelry industries, they are also providing different types of design. And you know that in these fields, design become obsolete in a very rapid manner. Today's design may become obsolete in within few weeks. So it is the responsibility of the government also to provide the design registration as early as possible. Now, if we talk about the consumer products, so these are the consumer products on the basis of that design can be registered. These are the shape, configuration, surface pattern of the bottle. On basis of it, design can be registered. These are the another example, and this is the traffic light signal. It's got patent in 1923. And see who was the inventor. Inventor was a son of a free slaves. So you can imagine how much educated this person was. And this is the life-saving invention. It saves millions and millions of life daily. So that's why you can imagine the why the invention is important, not on the basis of the complexity. It is important on the basis of usefulness, how much useful your invention is. And on the basis of new design, somebody can also contribute for the startup or in small businesses also. These are the new registered design for the dress. And National Institute of Design, they have invented this load lifting apparatus article. and you can see it will save the neurological system of the human body. Now SICLDR the design is there, and it will be protected for 10 years of the time. And SICLD process, how it can be done. So LD1 form is there. In that you have to provide this circuit design. Now you see that in laptop, mobile, vehicle, for lesser space, more you need speed efficiency. For that, circuit design is very very important. And nowadays they are gaining, nobody wants to disclose their invention. In due to that, we are getting very very less application in this field. So LD1 form is there, 5,000 rupees is there. If somebody wants to make any opposition, so LD2 form is there, notice for opposition. So if somebody will file the objection under the opposition, so hearing will be conducted separate for both party will be heard in a detailed manner, and after that decision will be taken by the registrar. And now come to the trademark. So trademark means you have seen the IPL match or Kaun Banega Crorepati. So, by listening their sound, IPL match sound, within fraction of second, or Netflix, their sound, within fraction of second, you understand that okay, these services are being telecasted at any place. So that is the power of the trademark. Within fraction of second, you understand that they are indicating about which product or services. So it is applicable both for the product and services, and it indicates the authentication of any product or goods. So how you will judge that it is authentic or not? So if it is written R with a circle, it means trademark has been registered, and if it is written TM, means trademark has been applied but registration is still pending. And duration of registration is 10 years, and it can be renewed every 10 years subject to the uses. These are the subject matter of trademarks. Trade name, collective marks. It may be a word just like Google, website name, Naukri.com, slogan, Dil Mange More. This is logo, design, and pictures, letter, word, symbol. Anything can be used as a trademark. And come to the geographical indication. It is provided for the place name, specific place name. It is not provided for any individual, and it must use to identify the source of the origin, quality, or reputation, or other characteristics of the product. Now, if I will ask, do you know what is the first geographical indication we got for the India? So India got the first geographical indication for the Darjeeling tea. So here the first word indicate the specific geographical name. So Darjeeling have the specific geographical name Darjeeling, and tea is the product name. Makrana is the place name, and marble is the product name. Kanchipuram is again the place name, and silk is the product name. So if you think that in your locality, if anything product is there, either natural or manufactured product, uh, and you feel that you can apply geographical indication for that product, so your community, your society, your place must take the geographical indication tag from the office. These are the different types of GIs: Katputli of Rajasthan, Baga printing of Madhya Pradesh, Bengal Patachitra, Worli painting, Bardi ware, Cheriyar painting, Maghi Pan, Sahil Lichi of Bihar, Kurg orange, Kashmir saffron. Okay. Now come to the copyright. Copyright provide you the bundle of right, and it's a preventive rights, and it's an also an automatic right. So suppose that you have written any poem or any algorithm, so you need not go to the copyright office for the protection. It will be protected automatically, but it is recommended to take the copyright protection through the copyright office, so that you have a certain legal document to say that this is my copyright, and I want to stop my copyright infringement. And copyright is provided for the different types of work. It may be literary work, artistic work, dramatic work, musical work, sound recording work, and cinematographic film. And it is provided to the author. So who are the author? Authors means creators. Suppose that I am delivering this lecture and somebody takes my picture, so it goes completely to the creator who has created it. So suppose that in my case, if somebody takes the picture, who is the creator? Creator is the person who has taken the photograph. So complete copyright will goes to them. If somebody written the book, so what is the name of the creator? For the literary or dramatic work, it is author. For the music work, music composer. For the artistic work, it is artist. For the photograph, it is person who is taking the photograph. A cinematography, sound recording, it is producer. For the literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work, which is computer generated, it goes to the person who caused the work to be created. Now, the term of protection for the literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work, it is the life of author plus 60 years. So suppose that if you have written any good book, so you will get the royalty up to your life, and after your life to your next 60 years, your next generation, they will also get the royalty. In our 11th, 12th or 10th, we have read the mathematics book for the R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal. So that person, they will get the royalty up to their whole life, and after their life, their to their next generation, they will also get the royalty up to 60 years of their life. Okay. And for the other publication, cinematographic film and sound recording, for the 60 years from the date of publication, they will get the royalty. And now if it's about the prescribed fee, for the literary, dramatic, artistic and musical work, it is 500 rupees. For the artistic work, it is 2000 rupees. For the sound recording, it is 2000. And for the cinematographic film, it is 5000 rupees. Now come to the trade secret. So suppose you have made any herbal drink and you want that the idea, invention, the survey method, manufacturing process, experimental result, chemical formula, recipe, financial strategy, client database, you need not to share with anybody. Under trade secret, you are free to not share all these things. Okay. So when it is preferred, suppose that as I told you, patent will provide you protection for 20 years of the time. But you need the protection beyond 20 years of the time. In that case, it is advisable to not file your application for the patent protection. So when it is difficult to the reverse engineering, in that case also, trade secret is preferable. So how to guard it? So for guard, you can make a confidential agreement, and by making that agreement, if somebody will break the agreement, you can go to the national legislation. Now a single product can be applied for the different types of intellectual property right based on their intellectual inputs. For the LED display, patent is there, body of the laptop, design is there, Apple sign, trademark is there. And for the user manual, copyright is there, and layout of the IC circuit there is SICL design. So single product you can see can be applied for the multiple intellectual property rights. And now this is the Coca-Cola bottle, and formulation can be trade secret. The logo can be applied for the trademark, and shape of the bottle can be applied as an industrial design, and patents may be obtained in respect of the bottling equipment. Okay. And for any database, written database, copyright is there. Now we have IPR relation with trade secret, trademark, industrial design, patent and copyright. And what can be done if by the simple approach you can become a scientist. So what you have to do, you have to identify the problem, solve that problem, and you can apply the patent if it involves the technical solution. So now what can be patented? To any product or process which must be new, having inventive step and capable of industrial applicability, can be patentable under um, uh, section 21JA, and it should not barred by the section 3 and 4 of the Indian Patent Act. Section 4 is completely dedicated toward the atomic energy. If your invention is related with the atomic energy, it will not be patentable. And section 3, it is mentioned that um, if and you have invented anything which is against the public order, public sentiment, or against the natural law, certain arrangement, mere arrangement, computer programming, business method, and all these things are there. Method of treatment, plant varieties, animal varieties, these are not patentable. Okay. And again, new means it is not published in India or elsewhere, and it is not known to the prior public knowledge, and nobody has claimed before you are claiming. An inventive step: suppose that Thomas Alva Edison has invented the bulb. Now we are not using the same bulb. There is so many advancement in that technology, and it all qualified for the as an inventive step. Okay. And suppose that a glass is there, it is available at 10 rupees in the market. Now you are manufacturing and selling it in 2 rupees, so it will be qualify for the economical significance. Now there are some indications. Suppose that you know that in our country, dengue, malaria, chikungunya, hija, we don't have any medicine for that. Cancer and even early diagnosis kit is also not there, so that it can be early examined that so early. So that's why if somebody can invent the any kit or any diagnosis or any medicine, that will be qualify as a surprising result and a fulfillment of a long felt need. Okay. So it must be industrially means it has to be man-made. It has not to be done by naturally. And these are the essential ingredients of the complete specification: title, object, prior art, drawback, effort, summary, statement, detailed description of invention, detailed description with reference to drawing, examples, and claims. So all these things are the essential ingredients of the complete specification. And out of that, you will get the protection for the claims only. So claims has to be written in a very careful manner. So this is a combined agriculture machine, and for that you can see you have to provide the inventive step in this combined agriculture machine. And now you have to write the claim has to be written in a two manner: independent claim or dependent claim. In the independent claim, you have to disclose all the technical feature. Suppose that um, you have claiming for a process for preparation of cyclosporin A from the Typlocadium species, okay, which comprises so many components. Now this is the if this is an independent claim, so in the dependent claim you have to further disclose a process as claimed in claim 1. So your all claims should be dependent on claim 1, and it will be mentioned as claimed in claim 1 means it is dependent on claim 1. So this is the method of writing the independent and dependent claim. Now, patent filing. So, any natural person, individual, legal entity, small entity, startup can filed alone or joint also. And physically, the application can be filed, and online it can also be filed. Online 24/7 it can be filed, and physically it can be done at official hour only. And if we talk about the appropriate offices for the Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi, and Kolkata, these are the appropriate office where you can file your application. And these are the documents you have to file while filing the patent application. Form 1 is there, in which applicant complete details, address of service, email ID, communication, contact number, inventor complete details. All these things has to be provided in Form 1. And proof of right you have to provide in the Form 1, and provisional or complete specification you have to provide in Form 2. Whatever we seen how to write the specification, it has to provide in Form 2. And if you have filed your application outside India, so you have to disclose in Form 3 in which country you have filed. And Form 5 you have to declare the inventor, who are the inventor of your application. Request for examination, Form 18 is there. Drawing, abstract, fees. Request for early publication, Form 9 is there. If you need early publication, so Form 9 is there. Now if we talk about the fees, so for the 1600 Form 1, fees is 1600. For the natural person or company, it is 8000. And for the Form 2, there is no any fees up to 30 page, and beyond 30 page, for each page you have to pay 160 rupees. And for each claim up to 10 claim, there is no any fees, and beyond 10 claims you have to pay 320 rupees. And your application will be examined if you will file the Form 18, and fees is 4000 rupees. Okay. And request for early publication, Form 9 is there. and fees is 2500 rupees. If you want that within 1 month your application should be published. If you will not file the form 9, it will be published within 18 months of the time. And expedited examination, you have to file for matinee. And if the condition is that if the applicant is a startup, and if you think that if any one of the applicant is ladies, on the basis of that you can also file your expedite examination. And for the government organization institute, they can also file for the expedite examination. It means their application will be examined immediately without any delay. That is the meaning of the expedite examination, means they don't have to wait for the queue. These are the basic timelines. Provisional to complete 12 months of the time, request for examination 31 month, reply to the first examination report 6 month, form 3 is there 6 month, form 5 1 month. Withdrawal of if you have filed your application within 15 months you can withdraw. Hearing submission is there 15 days. And pre-grant opposition can be filed after publication and before grant, and post-grant opposition you can file within 1 year after the grant of the application. This is our official website. You can see we have separate patent, design, trademark, geographical indication column. So for the patents you will get the all the information here, for the design here. And if you need the online filing, so comprehensive e-filing link is there, and after filing you will get the application number. So in the case of copyright you will get the diary number. So through public search you can see the updates of your application number through this platform, and any controller decision you can also see there. So and in this website you will see also see the patent agent IP register. So through this you can search your IP patent agent through nearby your where you reside nearby you can also select the patent agent for filing the application. So and this is the hyperlink for your forms and fees, and for the online filing you can see the hyperlink also. And this is a patent grant procedure flowchart. When you will file your application it will go for the screening, and after screening if you have filed the form 9 it will be published early, otherwise it will be published 18 months of the time. And within you have to file the form 18 within 31 month of the time. As a request for examination you have to allot your application to the uh, you to the respective examination group, and from that examination group you will get the first examination report, and you have to file a reply within 6 months of the time. You can take the grace period of the 3 month, and after that if it will be all the requirement has been fulfilled by from your side, it will be get granted. And before grant and after publication anybody can file the pre-grant opposition, and after grant anybody can file the post-grant opposition also within 1 year of the time. And for the design application the fees is 1000 rupees for the small natural person or a small entity, or for the others it is 4000 rupees. Okay. And again in which you have to file the form 1, and whatever the details we discussed in the patent the same details you have to provide here, but one thing is extra, the class number and name of article you have to provide for the design registration. And how it can be decided? So it will be decided under the Locarno classification. There are 32 classes. Suppose that you have made any design of the clock and watches, so you have to file your under class number 10. If you have made any musical instrument to class number 17 you will file. And if you have made any games twice, so you have to provide the class number 21. And 25 is the building unit and constructional element which is detachable, means it can be installed and uninstalled easily. So with this type of building unit you can also apply for the design registration. And this is the details of the representation sheet, means how you will represent your design for your article for the design registration. I will directly come to the representation sheet and how it should be filed. So on the top left you have to provide the name, on the top right you have to provide the total seat and seat number, in middle you can see design is there, and you have to provide the 360-degree view of this design, means top view, side view, front view, inclined view, so that we have a complete 360-degree view of your design. No cross sectional cutout view you have to provide, and no reference numeral it has to be provided here. It has to be colorful, and background should be either black or white. And in top left date, bottom left date has to be provided. In bottom right, signature of the applicant has to be provided. And it is a teapot, you can see, and if you have provided it, you can should not provide for the other types of intellectual property for the copyright or trademark if you have applied the same thing for the design. Bad quality pictures are not allowable for the design registration. And there is an SIPP scheme has been started by the government, uh, that it is eligible for the Indian innovators or the creator, and if they are filing their application using TICS. TICS is a technological and innovation support center, and you have filed your IP application through a TICS. In that case, you are eligible for the SIPP. Or if for any startup, they can also get the benefit of the SIPP. And TICS person will take the help from the impaneled facilitator under the SIP to get the facility of the SIPP scheme. Impaneled facilitator means registered patent agent or trademark agent, and they will get the complete fees from the office only, and the applicant don't have to pay any fees, and they have to submit a self declaration that you are not taking any other government funding. Okay, and these are the mandatory conditions for getting the SIPP. Is must have to be filed by the recognized TICS in India. In Punjab, there is TICS. In Anna University, Chennai, they have also the TICS facility, and application must be handled by the SIPP impaneled facilitator, and both has to be mandatory. And you have to provide the self declaration. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much for patiently listening me. And if you have any question, you can ask. So
Good afternoon, sir.
somebody is
Good
saying that
afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, ma'am.
I am
Somebody,
I'm
yes,
Dr. Bindu
yes.
Parvati from Dadi Engineering College, Vishakhapatnam, sir.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want a
Good
small
afternoon.
question, sir. Your good
Yes,
session
yes,
you have given, sir.
yes, yes.
One question for me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the major challenges still faced by the applicants when e-filing IP in India, even with the current system?
E-filing, you are asking when
Yes, sir.
you are asking about the patent filing.
Yes, sir.
So you have drafted well, and after that, you can go to the website, and sometimes there might be slow server. Server is you may have to try once again, since it is a very important documents you have to upload there. So uh, there might be you have to spend some time to get it to be uploaded. And if you feel that if you how which type of updation you need for the e-filing, you can also provide to our portal there.
Okay.
So on the
In
basis
that
of that, on the basis
help
of that,
desk services, sir. These are
yes, yes,
these.
yes, help desk services are there also. So if you
Okay.
provide any suggestion, you can provide to them. So which type of problem you felt there? Can you should you disclose here?
No, sir. Actually,
Okay,
we want to file a IP, sir. For that,
okay,
if
okay.
any
So
problems if you are
see,
facing, then for that,
so see, there is e-filing patent manual is also available in the PDF form, which is free on the Google. You can download from there.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Okay, sir.
you will get all the information that how you can file your patent application. And if this is PDF is available to all at the free of cost, you don't have to pay anything. And help desk number is also there.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Somebody is saying to mail the today's seminar webinar. So in this regard, I want to state that in this feedback form, in the last line, there is an link, hyperlink. When you will click on it, you will get a PDF that is in a very detailed manner. All things is being provided here with the example also.
Thank
So
you,
you
sir.
can.
Thank you very much your
So
session, sir. It
okay,
is
ma'am.
very useful to us, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So you can use that link for your for the you can use your that PDF for your further references.
Anyone have any doubts? Okay, now we have vote of thanks. I have handed the section to the Catherine madam.
It's my privilege and pleasure to propose both of sides for today's enlightening session on intellectual property rights. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speaker, Sri Kumar Raju sir, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design, Archbishop of Nagpur, for taking time to be with us in part of this busy schedule and for sharing this valuable insights. So your talk has shed a light on the importance of protecting intellectual property, the different forms of rights available, and the role of fostering innovation and creativity. So your examples and real-world case studies make the topic much more relatable and easy. I would also like to thank our convener, Dr. Pavan Sai, HOD PhD Milai Ranchu, for his efforts in making this event. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the management of Vikas College of Engineering for their constant encouragement, vision, and support in organizing such meaningful programs. It is their effort and commitment that enable us to host sessions like this and benefit from the wisdom of the eminent experts. A big thanks to all the participants and students for your active participation and enthusiasm. Once again, I would like to extend my sincere thank you to Kumar Raju sir for your inspiring and thought-provoking and detailed session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
To all the participants, faculty members, and students. For feedback purpose, please scan this QR code and submit your
I want Shubham and
feedback.
Sujit to be there.